PUBG Mobile just dropped a new update a couple days ago, and I think it is one of the biggest updates ever. They made the game graphics look way better and it packed with a lot of cool stuff. One of them is the new theme mode called Golden Dynasty, where you can try out new skills and tricks. Plus, they brought back the old Mistin area in the Livik map and also add a huge map called Rondo. So there's a bunch of fun things in this update. Let's dive right into it. Before we start, many of you were asking me why am I always play PUBG Mobile on my Mac. Well, first of all, my phone is too old. It cannot handle big game anymore and I just don't want to stretch it out. And second of all, playing PUBG Mobile with a keyboard and mouse is like having a cheat code. It's way easier to control, and who doesn't like to play on a big screen? So if you wonder how to play PUBG Mobile on your Mac, you can try MuMuPlayer Pro, a great Android emulator that lets you play all kinds of mobile games on your computers. It has a great interface and some optimized tunes to make sure you get the best gaming experience. So I will put the link and a tutorial in the description below if you want to check it out. So if you've been playing PUBG Mobile since day one, you know the game changed a lot over the past 7 years. They always revamp the map to make the graphics looks better. But with this 3.7 update, they actually bring back some of the classic sport again, just like the good old days. Places like Mistin on the Livik map or the bridge and the factory on the Erangel map are back and look just like they did when the game first started. These areas are favorite and popular among players because they've got that intense feel. So if you like fast-paced action and quick matches, these are the best spot to use to show off your skill. The next thing you got to check out in this update is the team mode called Golden Dynasty. So what makes it different from the original battle? They added a cool new sport called the Gilded Palace that has 2 floating islands. So during landing, players will be able to choose where they want to join the battles. And if you land to one of the 2 islands, you will have the ability to explore the palace and also get some extra skill like respawning your teammate and repairing your weapons. In this team mode, player can also collect and upgrade some of the ancient treasures like the reversal blade or the golden scepter, which give you the ability to rewind time while you are in the battles or even fix up a collapsed vehicle or building. So if you're too bored with the PUBG Classic mode and you like something more mythic and historical, definitely give this new team mode a try. The next thing that got me so pumped about this update is the brand new Rondo map, 8x8 km area, which is big enough to have its own stadium, plus a mix of old school, traditional and fancy modern building, which I think make the game way more tactical. They also add market to the map. You can run in and buy supply right there. Guns or even parts like scope or grip to upgrade them, making your shoot way more accurate. Rondo also brings these awesome terrain destruction things to PUBG Mobile. Basically, if you toss a grenade or your car blow up during the battles, the ground around it will change accordingly. It might get messed up and switch to black colors. Or if you ride horses on the snow, you can even see their track. All these little details make the graphics and gameplay feel so real. Terrain destruction is very common in PC game, but for a mobile game like this, it's pretty amazing. This update also brings some cool new weapons like the GS9 and the stun gun. But my favorite has to be this explosive bow. Look at this, it's awesome. It makes your character look so cool when riding a horse, and it can hit your enemies hard with a super long range attack. You can really mess people up from far away with this weapon. And since it is 2025, they are making things more eco-friendly. If you're playing on the Miramar area, you can choose to ride a camel or a horse. They are just as fast as a car. What different though is they can jump and run on all kind of terrain, sand, rock, mountains, or whatever. So personally, I really like this update, and what I mentioned in the video, it's just a part of it. So there's still a lot of reward and skill or hidden play in this new PUBG Mobile update waiting for you to go and explore. So make sure you grab the latest update of PUBG Mobile and try it out for yourself. And don't forget to mention what you find on the comment below. Check out MuMuPlayer Pro. It is really a great Android emulator for your Mac. And thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.